Hi, this is teacher Carla from Camglish.com. Today, we will study the Essential Grammar in Use 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. We are now at Unit 39 of this book, and under this unit is the topic of how to use it. Okay, so generally we use it, for neutral. Things and animals. So let's go now on the first part of Unit 39. And here we use it for time, day, distance, and weather. So it here stands for 3 different meanings. So the first one is it, used as anticipatory subject or object. Second is impersonal verb. And then the last one is emphasize a term that is not itself a subject. So let's go now to time. So let's read the first example for this one. What time is it? Next is it's 10:30. Next, it's late. Next is it's time to go home. So here we use it with the meaning of anticipatory subject or object. So we can anticipate it here if it's a subject or the object. Let's go now to day. First example for this one is what day is it? Next is it's Thursday. Next, it's 16 March. Last is it was my birthday yesterday. So here we use it here as to anticipatory object or subject too. So because we can anticipate if the it here is the subject or the object. So let's go now to the distance. Let's read the first example for this one. It's 3 kilometers from our house to the city center. Next is, how far is it from New York to Los Angeles? Next, it's a long way from here to the station. Last one is, we can walk home. It isn't far. So the first one here, we use it as an anticipatory subject or object. So on the second one, because this is a question, we use it to emphasize a term that is not itself a subject. So then the third example is the same with the first one. We use it here as an anticipatory subject or object. And the last one is in negative form, but it here stands for anticipatory subject or object. So there are some notes here that we should remember or memorize so that our sentence in making with the it word is correct. So we use far in questions. Is it far? Again, we use far in questions. And it isn't far. This is the negative one because of the word isn't here. Again, I know you can still remember the word isn't is a contraction of is not, and if you saw this word, it is in negative form. So in positive sentences, we use a long way. or it's a long way. Okay, again, in positive sentences, we use a long way, it's a long way. In negative sentences, we use isn't or it isn't far. And if we are using or making a question, we should use far. Okay, let's go now to the weather. Okay, so let's read the first example for this one. It's raining. It isn't raining. Is it snowing? Next, it rains a lot here. It didn't rain yesterday. Does it snow very often? Next is, it's warm. It's hot. It's cold. It's fine. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's sunny. It's foggy. It's dark. And the last is, it's a nice day today. Okay, so here we use it here as an impersonal verb. Okay, because you can notice that in each sentences or each example here, it stands for a verb, but actually it is an impersonal verb. Okay, so I hope you should remember and always review how to use it in different ways. Let's go now to compare it and there. Okay, so let's read the first example. It rains a lot in winter. There is a lot of rain in winter. Okay, so we use it here to emphasize a subject that is not itself a subject. Okay, so we used there while there. Okay, so we use there in a sentence if we are stating or saying a true thing or the facts. Okay, so again, it is, we use this to emphasize. Okay, while there, we use there because of the statement is true. Okay, so let's go now on the next example. It was very windy. There was a strong wind yesterday. Okay, so same. We are saying that it was very windy and there was a strong wind yesterday. So there we are stating that this sentence is true or it is already done. Okay, so that will be all for today. I hope that you learned something and we will continue our lesson on the next video. Okay, so see you next time. Bye!